up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, we're going to be installing these carbon fiber hood struts from Paragon Performance. They're going to be replacing these bulky stock ones from the factory. They actually have a few advantages. Not only do they save weight, about 2.4 pounds, but they're also a lot stronger than the factory ones. Right now with the stock struts, you'll notice that when you open the hatch, it'll go up about halfway and it'll bounce a little bit. It can actually go up a lot higher. That's actually fully extended. One of the advantages of the carbon fiber hood struts is that it'll automatically extend it all the way for you and do it a lot smoother. The install itself is fairly simple. All you're gonna need is a straight edge screwdriver. Before we jump into the install, let's check out Paragon Performance's website. It's paragonperf.com. If you guys click on the CA Corvette, they have a ton of different parts. Easiest way to look up the strut is to go to the search, type in strut. You guys notice the Paragon Performance C8 carbon fiber hood struts. The hood struts are $149.99. Not only are they carbon fiber and they save weight, but they're actually stronger, so it helps support deck lid mounted wings. The guys over at Paragon Performance gave me a promo code to give to you guys. When you guys go to your shopping cart, you guys click on apply coupon and type in RWDCH strut, and that should give you guys 5% off of your hood struts. Also, on all orders above $99, you get free shipping. So on each end of the hood strut, you're gonna notice there's a little metal tab. You're gonna slide your screwdriver into it, and then you're just gonna pop it up. All right, so you're gonna use a shoulder to keep the hood or the hatch up. You're gonna take your screwdriver, we're gonna slide it into that metal tab, we're gonna pull it out, and then this thing should just pop right off. On the other end, you're gonna do the same exact thing. Slide the screwdriver into the metal clip, and then that whole thing will slide off. Super easy to do. It does weigh like, I don't know, it weighs a lot, seems like, especially compared to this guy. When you guys go to install the new hood strut, you're gonna put the thinner end towards the front, and then the actual shock towards the rear. When you go to install this, you don't have to pull on that metal clip. All you're gonna do is just put it down to where it goes, and you're just gonna pop it on. So you're gonna start with the front one, snaps right into place. And then this should line up for you. You want to pop that in. Bada boom, bada bing. Too easy. Over on the passenger side, we're just gonna repeat the same exact thing. Gonna just put our shoulder up on the hood. Going to put your screwdriver on the metal clip, pull it out, push the hood strut off. Same thing for the front. Straight edge screwdriver, pull the clip up, slides right off. And then remember, skinnier end up front. You're just gonna put it over it, pop it into place, and then if your hole doesn't line up perfectly with where it mounts to, you're just gonna turn the shock clockwise. So we're gonna turn it clockwise to that point and pop her on. Woo. Just trying to enclose the hood is so much different. They're so much stronger. All right, let's see how she opens up now. We're gonna just barely pull it up. Nice and smooth, and it opens all the way. That's so much better. Here's the product installed. We got the carbon fiber all the way down. Looks a lot better. They look really good. They're super strong. They work a lot better than the factory ones. Again, let me pull this back so I can show y'all how good it opens. All the way. How awesome is that? Again, special thanks to the guys over at Paragon Performance for the hood struts. If you guys get a chance, go check out their website. And if you guys choose to get the hood struts, make sure you use that promo code RWDC8 strut. Thanks for watching. See you guys next video. Later.